Kakadosh Bokaro, we're just continuing with the halachot of Teshuvah. We know that we're not allowed to come and tell a person about his previous deeds. It's called onad dvarim. Onad dvarim means that when you're going to come and cause a person pain or suffering by telling him, listen, you were a Baal Avera, you were Mechalel Shabbat, you were doing all these different things. So, al tiskolanu avonot rishonim, as we say, you're not supposed to remind the person of their sins. The question is, what happens right now if you have a person where he doesn't mind and it's actually going to be a kavod for them? So, for example, we'll explain as follows. The Rav Chida and the Ben Ishchai and the Ben Yehuda, he comes and he says there's a Gemara in Yomah that says, what is a Baal Teshuva? And there the Gemara says that the Rav Yehuda came in Machve. He showed that what it is, that with the same person, with the same woman, and the same time, and the same meaning that he was still with his strength, and he had everything the same. Says the Ben Yehuda, it means that he actually pointed to someone, and he said, this person, he's a Baal Teshuva. Why? Because he basically was tempted with the same desires for the same woman in the same case and everything the same, and he still overcame his desires. So the fact that he actually said that, how could it be? So the rabbis come and they say as follows. If right now it's going to be that he doesn't mind it and it's a kavod for him, showing that, look, no matter how bad he was beforehand, he became better. So therefore, you're allowed to actually come and tell it to other people, especially because it's known to the public. If it's going to be that nobody knows, and now you're going to say, by the way, this guy's a Baal Teshuva, then you're not allowed to, because then you're diminishing from his kavod. So the Chashukei Chemed, he comes and he brings down the case where there was a famous soccer player that used to play on Shabbat, and he was nicknamed the Shoel, which basically, let's say, the goalkeeper. So therefore, the goalie. So what happened was, is that are you allowed to come and continue calling him goalie? Because by doing so, everyone realizes that he used to play on Shabbat. So again, since it was going to be a kavod for the person to come and to do such a thing, so therefore there was no problem whatsoever. However, if people don't know about it, so therefore it's going to be a disgracing of the person's honor, and therefore it will be prohibited.